All these scenes were made using a free AI tool, and guess what? I only used one simple prompt. The tool I'm about to show you lets you create stunning, fully animated AI videos for free, and it literally takes just a few clicks. This tool lets you create videos from 30 seconds to 30 minutes long, and you can even edit your scenes using Nano Banana, Google's best AI image generator. And the best part, the creators and I have partnered up to give away 3 pro accounts. Just for you guys watching this video, stay with me till the end, and I'll show you exactly how you can win one for yourself. This AI tool lets you create videos with consistent characters, and you can do it in multiple languages. Plus, it gives you tons of creative styles to choose from, whether you're going for a Ghibli vibe, something realistic, 3D cartoon, cinematic, cyberpunk, or even pixel art. The tool I'm talking about is called VideoInu, and once you land on the homepage, you'll see tons of amazing videos made by other creators, perfect for getting inspiration. You can explore all kinds of styles there, from classic, anime, and 3D cartoon vibes to super realistic or cinematic looks. I've dropped the link to VideoInu's website in the description below. Once you hop onto the site, you'll see the interface is super clean and really easy to use. When you sign up for the first time, you actually get 500 free credits, so you can explore and test everything out properly. Inside, you'll find 2 main features, one for creating videos, and another for building consistent characters. Alright, let's jump right in and start creating our video. To start creating your video, just click on AI Video Generator. From here, pick your aspect ratio and language. You can actually create videos in tons of different languages, but for now, let's stick with English. Next, you'll choose your video style, and there are a bunch of them to explore. Let's go with a 3D cartoon look for this one. Now, set your video duration. You can make videos up to 30 minutes long, but I'm keeping it at 1 minute so the scenes generate faster. When it comes to writing your script, you'll see 2 options, Smart Script and Basic Script. Smart Script is super easy. You just describe your video idea, and the AI writes the full script for you. For example, if we click on this sample idea, it'll automatically add it to the Smart Script section, ready to go. But if you choose Basic Script, you'll need to enter your own script manually. For this demo, I actually asked ChatGPT to write a short story using a simple prompt, and here's what it came up with. Let's copy that story, go back to VideoInu, and paste it right here in the Basic Script box. If you set duration to auto, the AI will automatically set the duration and generate all the scenes accordingly. Alright, once your story is pasted in, just hit next, and VideoInu will start generating your full video script automatically. Now, here, you just need to wait a few seconds, around 10 at most, and boom, your script gets generated automatically. As you can see, it quickly creates a complete storyboard, with different scenes and shots inside each scene. You can edit everything the way you want. The interface is super simple and beginner-friendly. Right at the top, you'll find the video duration and scene count, so you can easily review your project before moving on. Once everything looks good, just hit next to continue. Alright, so now the system has analyzed our story, and it's asking us to choose our characters. Here, you can freely pick any character you like. There's a huge collection of pre-made characters of almost every type. Just select the one that fits your story and add it right into your video. You can also head over to the My Characters section if you've already created your own custom character. Don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to make your own character later in this video, so make sure you keep watching. And here's the cool part, if you hit auto casting, the AI will automatically choose the most suitable characters for your story. Since our story only has 1 character, that's why you're seeing just 1 here. But if your story includes more characters, they'll all appear here, and with auto casting, you can select them all with just 1 click. Once you've selected your character, go ahead and click next, and this is where the visual storyboard starts generating automatically. As you can see, it creates all the scenes in amazing quality. Everything looks clean and perfectly arranged. You can review each scene here and edit anything you want. And if you feel like a scene is missing or you just want to add a new one, no problem. Simply hit the copy button, and a brand new scene will be added instantly. See, the new scene just popped up right here. Now you can edit it however you like. If you decide you don't need it, you can also delete it anytime. Basically, you have full control to edit your scenes exactly the way you want. Now, apart from that, you can also control your voiceover speed, make it slower or faster depending on your video's vibe. And check this out, here you get tons of realistic, human-like voices in super high quality. I'll play one for you in a bit, but when I was recording earlier, the system output wasn't enabled. In VideoInu, you can even clone your own voice. All you have to do is click Create Clone, pick a gender, and upload your sample voice. For example, listen to this one.
A slightly husky and bassy voice with a standard American accent. Modulated, controlled, and direct and perfect for audiobooks, captivating narrations, or storytelling, or other professional voiceover work.
Alright, you heard the sample, now let's clone it. Just give it a name, something like Storyteller, then hit clone. And within seconds, the voice gets cloned. Now listen to this.
This timbre was generated by VideoInu's latest tone design feature.
The quality is so good, you can barely tell the difference between the original and the cloned version. It's that accurate. Once you hit confirm, your cloned voice gets instantly added to the voice list. Now, if you want to use that cloned voice in your project, just go to the voiceovers tab and pick your cloned voice, and that's it. Alright, now if you want to edit your scenes, just head over to the prompt section. Here's where you can tell the AI exactly what kind of scene you want. For example, let's remove this old prompt and add a brand new one. Once that's done, click AI, expand, then hit use result, and finally click on regenerate. Now, the scene will start regenerating, and the best part? It's totally free. You can regenerate scenes as many times as you want. And here we go. The scene has been successfully regenerated. Next, if you want to turn this scene into a video, just click on animate, then go to model, and pick whichever video model you like. You'll find plenty of popular options here, like Veo 3, 2 models for lip sync, Sedence, and my personal favorite, Kling. Honestly, Kling gives the most natural and smooth animation, so let's go ahead and select that one. Now, in the animate prompt section, you'll see 2 options. Intelligent generation based on the scene, and generate from customized prompts. We'll test both, but let's start with the first one. With intelligent generation, the AI automatically analyzes your scene and animates it perfectly. In the second option, you can type your own custom prompts to control how the animation turns out. Once you've made your choice, just hit confirm, and the animation will begin. Alright, the scene is now animated. Let's play it and see how it looks. So as you can see, the animation looks super smooth and completely natural. We used the intelligent generation option earlier, where the AI automatically animates the scene based on its content. Now, let's test the second option, where we'll use our own custom prompt and see which one gives better results. Click on animate, select the Kling model again. Then choose customized prompts and hit confirm. Now remove the intelligent prompt and type in your own custom one. For example, I'm adding this prompt here. After that, click confirm, and the animation process will begin. And there we go. The new scene has been animated beautifully. So basically, both options work great, but even the intelligent generation feature does an amazing job at understanding your scene and animating it perfectly. Now, let's explore some other powerful editing tools inside VideoInu. Select any scene you want to edit, and on the right-hand side, you'll find several options. The first one optimizes your scene's image quality. Just click it, and the visuals get even better. The second one lets you edit the scene images, using Nano Banana. The third is facial controls, where you can change your character's expressions, from serious to laughing, and everything in between. Let's apply the laughing expression, and there it is. Instantly updated. The fourth is figure, which lets you adjust your character's body type, slim, muscular, fit, whatever you prefer. The fifth option gives you camera control, so you can choose angles like a low-angle view, apply it, and boom, the camera view changes instantly. These tools give you complete creative control over your scenes in VideoInu. Now, let's jump to the final step, animating all your scenes together. Click Animate, then Animate All, and select your scenes. You can even hit Select All to animate everything at once. I'll skip one since we already animated it earlier. Once done, click Next, then Confirm, and all your scenes will start animating automatically. And just like that, within seconds, every scene is done. Let's play it. Looks amazing, but you can see, every scene has been animated beautifully. Alright, now to export the video, click Next. Here, you'll find some settings. You can set a video cover. Or if you don't want one, just select No Title. Next are the subtitle settings. You can choose the subtitle style or remove them by clicking No Subtitle. After that, you can also add background music to your video. Finally, once you click Generate, the final video processing will start. And there it is, the final video has been processed. Let's play it, see how quickly we created this video using VideoInu.
The Lost Treasure of Serpent's Bay. Rain taps the cracked windows as Ethan pries open a dusty shelf. He uncovers a leather journal and a map marked with a red X. At first light, Ethan sets out with compass, rope, and lantern. He crosses a roaring river on a slick fallen log. Cliffs rise ahead. He climbs.
Now, if you want to download it, just click Download, and the video downloading will start. Alright, so now I'm gonna show you how you can create your own custom character in VideoInu, and use it directly inside your videos. And guys, here's something exciting. After finishing the video, I just discovered that Sora 2 has officially been integrated into VideoInu. That means, wherever we were using the Kling model to animate our scenes, now you can use Sora 2 as well, and it's absolutely free to use. Alright guys, now let's learn how to create a custom character that stays completely consistent every time. First, head over to the AI character generator and click on it. Start by entering your character's name, then pick the gender, category, and age. After that, choose your style. I'll go with realistic for this one, but you can pick any style you like. Now scroll down a bit, and upload your character's face. You can add clothing too if you want, but make sure you upload the face, that's important. I've uploaded my own photo here. Next, open a new tab and launch ChatGPT. In ChatGPT, upload that same image you just used in VideoInu. Then go back to VideoInu, copy the character prompt description requirements, and paste them into ChatGPT. Make sure to remove the word etc. from the prompt, then go ahead and send it. You can also write your own prompt if you want, but this method is super quick and easy. Once ChatGPT gives you the description, copy it, go back to VideoInu, paste it into the character prompt section, and hit generate image. And your custom character will start generating in just a few seconds. Alright guys, so this is the character it generated for me. It's not an exact match, but it's pretty close, and the best part is, it stays perfectly consistent in every single scene. Once you're happy with it, just click apply, and your character will automatically save inside VideoInu. From there, you can start using it in your videos right away. Now let me quickly show you how to add your character to a project. First, open the story video generator and choose your style. If your character was made in the realistic style, make sure to select realistic here as well. That step is super important. Then, paste your script, hit next, and in the casting step, click on character. Go to my character, and you'll find the one you just created. Finally, click confirm, and your character will be added. Alright guys, now let me tell you how you can win the VideoInu giveaway. It's super simple, just like this video, and leave a comment down below telling me which VideoInu's feature you love the most, and what new features you'd like to see added in the future. After 7 days, I'll be picking 3 random winners, and I'll pin their names right here in the comments. Each of those 3 lucky winners will get a free VideoInu Pro account. To claim your promo code, winners can reach out to me on Instagram or email. You'll find both of them linked in the description below. I've also added the VideoInu's link down there, so make sure to check it out. And that's it for today's video. Thanks a ton for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.